Hello, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv, and today I am going to discuss hashtags. Now, what are hashtags? Hashtags are a mechanism that was first concocted, or the first person I saw that came up with it was a gentleman by the name of Chris Messina. And essentially what it does is that it ties into Twitter. Twitter is an online service that answers the question, what are you doing? A lot of people use this service to update their friends and family, blah, blah, blah. I already did a video on that. That's not what we're here to talk about. Hashtags allows you to tag your Twitter updates with certain keywords. Now, people have been expanding Twitter to do more than just saying what they're doing. They also provide information, links, and all types of other, tidbits that people are interested in. For example, I think the thing that made hashtags so great, or let me first explain what hashtags are. They are denoted by a pound sign and then a keyword in your Twitter update. So say I'm talking about my Canon PowerShot TX1. I will say, hey, I put on Twitter, my Canon PowerShot TX1 is so great, blah, blah, blah. And then at the end of that post, I would put pound TX1 or hash TX1. So now that Twitter post has a tag on it and it can be tracked. A site that allows you to track these hashtags is called hashtags.org, which is kind of cool. Recently, a lot of Twitter clients are integrating hashtags into the client so that when they see a hashtag on a Twitter post, you can click on the hashtag and see all the search results, which is kind of cool over at hashtags.org. I know Snitter supports it, but it's a little buggy right now. What I use is Twirl. Twirl supports it fully. And I think Twitbin for Windows supports it. It was one of the first ones to support it. So hashtags allows you to aggregate data surrounding Twitter posts via keywords. Now, this idea was first concocted before Twitter came up with the idea of tracking keywords. Now you can go on IM or your SMS and type the words track and then a certain keyword, and you'll get every Twitter post that matches that keyword. That's good for you if you want to aggregate or capture that data in real time. But to see like a page with all of the different information about, say, the case study I was referring to earlier was the San Diego fire. People who were involved with that wanted to know where to go, what information was going on in San Diego, California when there was a big fire, and they were tagging their Twitter updates with San Diego fire. You could search Twitter via terramines.com for that hashtag, and you'll see everything that everybody's saying about that particular topic. So I've begun to use hashtags in a lot of my Twitter posts, and you can begin to see, if you go to hashtags.org, all the different terms that people are using and find very interesting links. It's a good way to search for information, to get links about a certain product. If someone has it and then reviewed it on Twitter real quick, or they have a link to something, they can do a hashtag to it and you'll be able to see it. So go check it out at hashtags.org or download one of the compatible clients and you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv saying so long.